Hello learners, welcome to my YouTube channel once again and thanks for liking my previous videos and subscribing my channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it right now and don't forget to press the bell icon to get new notification. In today's video, we will continue our story, The Thief Story, written by Ruskin Bond. We will start with the sentence made by Hari. I was grateful. I knew once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. That means in previous video we saw that Anil had made him a promise that he would teach him how to read, write and add numbers. So this statement is going to make great changes in Hari's personality. We will see how. Now Hari would not be merely a thief. He enjoys to work for Anil. Hari used to make a profit of about a rupee a day on the shopping, but he had not done anything apart from cheating on the shopping. Anil had given him the keys to the door. He could come and go as he pleased. He got every opportunity to rob Anil, but he never did because Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. Now we will see some facts about Anil. Anil did not have any fixed source of income. He used to make money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means in short irregular intervals. That means sometimes he earns lot but sometimes he may be penniless. He would borrow one week and lend the next week. That means from this statement we come to know that he used to do business of money lending and borrowing also. He always kept worrying about his next check. As Anil did not have any fixed source of income, that's why he always kept worrying about his next check. Whenever he got money, he used to go out and celebrate. He was even not able to pay Hari regularly. He used to waste his money on friends. Anil used to write for books and magazines, but that was a queer way to make living. This eighth and last statement is made by Hari in book, and according to him, to write for book is merely a queer way to make living. That means Anil did not earn too much from the book writing according to Hari. Now we will see why didn't Hari rob Anil. That means when Hari entered or met Anil, he was trying to rob him, but why didn't he rob him yet? Anil was the most trusting person. He was kind and easygoing man. He was careless in his money handling. According to Hari, to rob a careless person does not give a pleasure of work. Hari gives these various reasons for not robbing Anil. ये 4 रीज़न हरी ने दिए हैं क्यों उसने अनिल को क्यों रॉब नहीं किया. And he made a statement, well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. This statement is made by Hari and now he is trying to console himself that he should rob Anil because if he will not take out money from his, he will merely waste it on his friends. Now Hari decides Anil. One evening, Anil came with a bundle of money as he sold a book to publisher. As Anil is always careless in his money transaction, he tucked the money under mattress and fell asleep. His face was unlined and he was sleeping peacefully. Hari searched money under mattress and planned to run away by Lucknow Express of 10:30. Hari found the 600 rupees in 50s. With such big amount he may live like a rich Arab for a week or 2 weeks. However, Hari reached the station but he did not get in the train. Hari भागकर पैसे चोर कर भागने की प्लानिंग में था और वह स्टेशन भी पहुंचा पर उसने फिर भी ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ी. नाउ वी विल सी व्हाई डिडंट हरी गेट इन द ट्रेन एंड हरीज रिग्रेट ओवर हिज थेफ्ट. Anil was the only person whom he trusted. Hari realized well that when Anil will discover the theft, he will be sad not for money but for the loss of trust. Along with these realization, he remembers that after theft he will not be able to learn to write whole sentences. Whole sentences could bring him more than a few hundred rupees. Whole sentences could make him big man, a clever man and respected man, and that will be something else than to live life like a rich Arab for a week. That's why Hari did not theft or regret on his theft. Why did Hari feel nervous? After looting or robbing Anil, Hari was very nervous. We will see why. Hari's regret as he pondered over theft was the first reason for being nervous. He decided to go back to Anil and return the money without letting him know. He found much easier to theft and to be caught than to return something undetected. Successfully, he kept the money under the mattress without letting him know that night. But the notes were damp because of last night's heavy rain, and when Anil stretched his hands with 50 rupees note again, Hari's heart sank. He felt that he had been discovered. That's why Hari was very nervous after his theft. Now we will see why did Hari give a genuine appealing smile. We are now reached in the concluding part of the story, and now Hari is giving a genuine appealing smile. Why we will see. Anil discovered that he had been robbed, but he did not tell anything to Hari, neither by lips nor by eyes. He gave him 50 rupees note and said that now he will be paid regularly. Today we will start writing sentences. This statement by Anil rose Hari's spirit. He became very hopeful. All the above reasons were enough to Hari to give most appealing smile, but this time genuine appealing smile. Now we will see final gist of the story. That means summary of the story. Encouragement is always more influential than punishment. If Anil would have punished him when he cooked badly, then Hari would not be transferred from something great. One's company of friends, relatives plays an important role in shaping character. Vices may be replaced by virtues if someone has determined to do so. These are the gist of story. Now students, in this lesson we will see code mixing. Code mixing means Indian words used in English. So there are 3 words which are used from Indian languages. They are Maidan, Bazar and pajamas. That means instead of using a word ground, writer has used Maidan. Instead of using a word market, author has used bazaar, and instead of using a word trousers, he has used pajamas. So thank you.